Are you tired of your car's factory audio sounding flat, muddy, or just plain boring? You love your car, but let's be honest, that stock sound system often leaves a lot to be desired. And if you're like most of us, you're not looking to drop a fortune on a new amplifier or head unit just to get some decent tunes. You just want better sound, directly from your existing factory radio. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're reviewing 6.5-inch speakers that are designed to breathe new life into your car's audio, all without needing an external amplifier. We've sifted through countless options, analyzed specs, and considered real-world performance to bring you the definitive list of the top 5 best 6.5-inch speakers for factory radio. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which speakers will give you that crisp, clear, and impactful sound you've been craving, using nothing more than the power your car already provides. I have shared Amazon links in the description below to the best deals on all the 6.5-inch speakers featured in this list. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Boss Audio Systems CH6530 series. These are 6.5-inch, three-way coaxial speakers that boast a peak power handling of 300 watts and an RMS power handling of 150 watts per pair, with a 4-ohm impedance and a sensitivity rating of 90 dB. The CH6530 features a poly-injection cone woofer with a rubber surround, paired with a 1-inch polydome mid-range and a 0.5-inch piezo tweeter, aiming to deliver a full range of sound. This speaker stands out primarily for its incredible value and ability to offer a noticeable upgrade over most factory speakers without breaking the bank. Looking at the specs and performance, its relatively high sensitivity means it can get a decent amount of volume from the low power output of a factory head unit. It's best suited for budget-conscious buyers who want a significant improvement in clarity and bass response over their stock setup, without any additional amplification. The main advantage here is the price-to-performance ratio, though some users might find the higher frequencies a little less refined compared to more premium options. Sliding into the number 4 spot, we find the Kenwood KFC1666S coaxial speakers. These 6.5-inch, two-way coaxial speakers are rated for 30 watts RMS and 300 watts peak power, featuring a 4-ohm impedance and a sensitivity of 90 decibels. They utilize a polypropylene woofer with a treated cloth surround and a 1-inch PI balanced dome tweeter. What makes the KFC1666S a strong contender for factory radios is its balanced sound profile and efficient design. Compared to other options in this price range, these Kenwood speakers offer a very clean and clear sound, particularly in the mid-range and highs, making vocals and instruments shine. They are an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, affordable upgrade that provides a noticeable improvement in sound quality and detail without being overly bright or harsh. While they deliver solid performance for their class, don't expect earth-shattering bass without a dedicated subwoofer, but for a factory radio setup, they certainly hold their own. Moving up to number 3, we have the Kicker DSC656.5-inch coaxial speakers. These two-way coaxial speakers are built to handle up to 60 watts RMS and 240 watts peak power, with a 4-ohm impedance and a sensitivity of 90 decibels. The DSC650 features a durable polypropylene woofer and a 1/2-inch PI, polyether Illinois, dome tweeter, designed for robust sound reproduction. Kicker is known for its punchy bass, and even without an external amp, these speakers deliver a surprisingly dynamic low-end response for a coaxial unit. They stand out for their robust build quality and ability to handle a bit more power, which translates to a fuller, more impactful sound even from a factory head unit. These are ideal for listeners who enjoy a more energetic sound with a bit more thump in their music. The slight drawback might be that the highs, while clear, aren't as airy or detailed as some component systems, but for a coaxial speaker running off a factory radio, the overall performance is impressive. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Pioneer F-Series TSF1634R two-way speakers. These 6.5-inch coaxial speakers are rated at 25 watts RMS and 200 watts peak power, with a 4-ohm impedance and a sensitivity of 88 decibels. They incorporate an injection-molded polypropylene cone woofer for strong bass and a 1-inch balanced dome tweeter for clear highs. Pioneer's F-Series is specifically engineered for efficient operation with factory head units, and the TS-F1634R exemplifies this. Based on what most users report, these speakers offer a very natural and balanced sound signature, making them a fantastic all-rounder. They excel at reproducing a wide range of musical genres with accuracy and clarity, making them perfect for those who prioritize a faithful audio reproduction. While their sensitivity is slightly lower than some competitors, their overall sound quality and robust construction make them a top choice for a factory radio upgrade. They might not be the loudest, but the quality of sound they produce is exceptional for the power they receive. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our top pick, the absolute best 6.5-inch speaker for your factory radio without an amp, is the JBL GTO609C Car Audio Component Speaker System. This isn't just a speaker, it's a component system, featuring separate 6.5-inch carbon-injected cone woofers, soft dome tweeters, and external crossovers. It boasts an impressive sensitivity of 93 dB, a 3 ohm impedance, and handles 75 watts RMS with 270 watts peak power. The GTO609C truly stands out due to its high sensitivity and lower impedance, which are critical for maximizing output from a low-power factory head unit. This combination allows the speakers to draw more power and play significantly louder and clearer than most other options. The component design, with its separate tweeters, allows for superior sound staging and imaging, creating a much more immersive and detailed listening experience. While the installation is a bit more involved due to the separate components and crossovers, the sonic benefits are undeniable. For anyone serious about getting the absolute best sound quality from their factory radio, the JBL GTO609C is the undisputed champion. It delivers incredible detail, powerful bass, and crystal clear highs, transforming your car's audio into something truly special. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for upgrading your car's audio without needing an external amplifier. Each of these speakers offers a fantastic improvement over stock, but they cater to slightly different preferences. No matter which you choose, you're in for a serious audio upgrade. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and buying guides. All the links to these amazing speakers, along with any current deals, are in the description below. Also, leave a comment telling us what you think about these 6.5-inch speakers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.